Hi, I'm Ree.
I'm Zoe.
I'm Sim.
I'm Suchi. And we are
Wish. मिर्ची पे आज I'm going to make a wish and it's going to come true. Hi guys, मेरा नाम यशी है and welcome to Mirchi. How are you?
बढ़िया. Excited.
What's happening? Are you overworked? Are you stressed? What's happening with you all?
We are actually very excited to do so many things one by one, and we're actually very excited to come here and Radio Mirchi.
हाँ, because हमने अभी हमारा सॉन्ग थेरेपी रिलीज़ किया है, म्यूज़िक वीडियो भी रिलीज़ किया है, तो बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस भी मिल रहा है, तो एक्साइटमेंट तो ऑन है, चालू है अभी.
अच्छा, सबसे अनोइंग क्वेश्चन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है, वो क्या पूछा जाता है?
क्या आप सब लोग बहनें हैं? एक्चुअली ये अनोइंग नहीं है, बट बहुत पूछा जाता है क्योंकि मैं और रिया दोनों बहनें हैं, तो सब लोग सोचते कि हम चारों बहनें हैं.
ओके, और आपसे ऐसा कोई अनोइंग?
मुझे लगता है आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन इज एवरीवेयर कि आप लोग को हिंदी आती है? Of course आती है.
The kind of songs you sing and the kind of appearance is there, it's very Gen Z and it's very much inspired, or I won't say inspired, but you know, sort of has a resemblance with K-pop, which is absolutely fantastic. और इतने टाइम के बाद में वीवा जो कि फर्स्ट इंडियन फीमेल बैंड था, उसके बाद में विश आया है. वी आर रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड सो प्राउड ऑफ यू गाइज बिकॉज यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया ऑन इंटरनेशनल लेवल एज वेल. सो रियली वेरी प्राउड. कमिंग बैक टू द अनोइंग क्वेश्चन, रिया.
हमारा पिछला गाना था गलती, तो पीपल वुड आस्क अस कि आपने क्या गलती की है. तो हाँ,
सवाल है ना, क्या गलती?
वो भी बहुत डीप सवाल है.
इंटीग्रेशन के चक्कर में बहुत सारे लोग ऐसी चीजें बोल देते हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है आर्टिस्ट उस टाइम पे लगता होगा कि आर्टिस्ट आई थिंक खुश हो जाएंगे, बट देन या
तो ये आंसर करना पड़ेगा ना.
आपकी क्या गलती है?
अभी थेरेपी का टाइम है, तो थेरेपी के लिए जाते हैं. हो गया है तो सारी गलतियां बोल देते हैं.
अच्छा, कौन सा अनोइंग क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा गया है व्हिच एक्चुअली इरिटेटेड यू द मोस्ट?
कुछ नहीं.
मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत ही zen मोड में रहने वाली हैं ये, कि मुझे कुछ अनॉय नहीं करता. आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी.
I actually like interviews and I like questions and it all feels like a game. So for me, all questions are fine.
अच्छा, tell us about your journey, how you guys started, what was the thought process?
3 साल पहले माइकी मैक्लेरी जो कंपोजर है, उसने सोचा कि यहाँ पे गर्ल ग्रुप नहीं है इंडिया में, सो ही रियली वांटेड टू स्टार्ट अ गर्ल ग्रुप एंड ही हेल्ड ऑडिशंस एंड फर्स्ट री वाज सिलेक्टेड. तो 3 साल पहले शी वाज सिलेक्टेड. उसके बाद मैं और सूची सिलेक्ट हुए, तो हमारे लिए 2 साल 2.5 years हुए, और फिर जो लास्ट में, और चारों मिलकर हम विश बन गए. एंड इट्स बिन एन एक्साइटिंग जर्नी बिकॉज हम लोग वी वर वर्किंग ऑन द सॉन्ग सिंस a long time. We launched in March, but it's been a long time coming for all of us, and we're relieved we're finally out.
Also, it's like in the very beginning, you don't know if it's going to, like, what's going to happen with the group, because you're like trying so hard to see, like, okay, how are we going to make this work? What's the music? How are we going to like have chemistry together? So it was very iffy until, you know, finally Sony came on board, and then, you know, contracts were signed and things were actually moving. It was very like, oh, is this going to happen? Is it not going to happen? Which is thoda sa like nervousness, you know, but now.
Achhi nervousness.
Yeah, good nervousness, like an excitement building. And now that we're out, that's why when you asked earlier, are you guys overworked? Are you tired? Right now we just started and we're so happy to be here. We're not tired at all.
चलो आगे देखते हैं होता है क्या. But then tell us the kind of challenges you guys were facing start से. एक जेल करना, क्रिएटिव पर्सपेक्टिव लाना, स्मूथ सेलिंग कैसे हो रही है? लाइक व्हाट इज दैट मंत्रा? क्योंकि बहुत सारी लोगों को ऐसा लगता है ना कि लड़कियां जेल नहीं कर सकती हैं, तो वो मिथ ब्रेक कर दिया आप लोगों ने. टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
आई थिंक हम लोग एक्चुअली में एक गर्ल गैंग है, जैसे फ्रेंड्स ट्रिप्स पे जाते हैं, यू नो, दैट काइंड ऑफ गर्ल गैंग वी एक्चुअली आर. बिकॉज जब हम पहले ही मिले, वी ऑटोमेटिकली जस्ट जेल्ड रियली वेल एंड टच वर्ड ब्लेस्ड फॉर दैट. और हम लोग पहले से भी जानते थे खुद को.
अच्छा, थोड़ा बहुत आप लोग you guys knew each other.
Only Suchi and I didn't know each other.
Yeah. Before even Wish, like I was not into all these camera, and then it's just like everything just came onto me first hand.
Therapy देखकर मुझे नहीं लगता है that you are not into camera facing.
Everyone says that about her.
Touch word, but I actually was like do or die situation. अभी करना तो पड़ेगा क्योंकि कैमरा है. Directors like
she अब camera face करना ही पड़ेगा.
लगता तो नहीं है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, बिल्कुल
तो
नहीं.
बहुत से challenges रहे हैं and slowly with the girls it's always been smooth.
As a band आपका क्या training routine होता है, like what exactly you guys do, या फिर क्या process रहता है कि आज हमें सुबह उठ करके ये करना है, jam करना है, etc. etc.
Every day is different, like because there's so many things we have to do. So one day it's singing and dancing and songwriting, the other day is just dancing because we probably have something to prepare for. So it's just every day 24/7 you have to
Because you
work.
guys are amazing dancers also. I'm like, wow. I was like, killing it. हाँ, Korean bands of पास में जाओ.
और सब साथ में भी करते हैं. हम लोग डांस रिहर्सल साथ में करते हैं, वोकल रिहर्सल्स, वोकल वार्म अप्स साथ में करते हैं.
और साइड बाय साइड हमारा ट्रेनिंग भी जारी है, तो we're like improving on our dance but also like constantly writing songs, and then social media तो इतनी important चीज़ है हर artist की journey में, तो we're obviously like spending a lot of time working on our social media content as well.
तो इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आती है गानों की? बिकॉज यू नो दीज सॉन्ग्स आर वेरी जेनजी.
तो हम लोग एक रूम में आते हैं, हमारे स्टूडियो में हमारा प्रोड्यूसर रहता है, एंड हमेशा की तरह देयर इज ऑलवेज अ बीट दैट ही इज प्रोड्यूस बिफोर हैंड. तो देन वी सिट, हम लोग पहले थोड़ा चाय पी लेते हैं, थोड़ा स्नैक्स खा लेते हैं.
चाय से सारी प्रॉब्लम दूर हो जाती है दोस्तों.
उससे इंस्पिरेशन, असली इंस्पिरेशन आता है. और फिर
चाय पूरी मीडियम.
हमारे सॉन्ग राइटिंग सेशंस एक्चुअली में थेरेपी सेशन से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. वी टॉक अबाउट ईच अदर्स लाइव्स एंड देन आई थिंक उससे थेरेपी गाने का इंस्पिरेशन भी आया. वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सेस, रिलेशनशिप्स, वो सब, हाउ वी डील विद प्रॉब्लम्स.
एक ऐसे इंसान या फिर किसी दोस्त के बारे में भी आप लोग बता सकते हो जिसको थेरेपी की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत थी, और क्यों जरूरत थी? आई वांट टू नो द रीजन.
I think everyone needs to go for therapy. No, honestly, we all are dealing, हमारे खुद के बहुत issues रहते हैं, and it's always important to better yourself, and therapy, it really helps.
It's healthy. We need to normalize therapy though.
Yeah.
ये कभी हुआ है डेट पर the first time when you're meeting that person and 2 minutes in the conversation and you're like, dude, you need
Can I get out of here already?
On the flip side, there's a different side to therapy also. Okay, sometimes it's not even about the person. Sometimes like things are therapy for you. Right? So in a sense, our song therapy can be somebody else's therapy also.
We've all been in that situation जहाँ पे we want to kind of fix the other person. So the song is kind of about like letting go of that and focusing on yourself, self-care की हमें बहुत ज़रूरत है, and that's of utmost importance.
I'm with you, sister. अच्छा, tell us 3 practices जो कि आप रोज करते हो, which are self-love, जो कि आई एम श्योर कि जो आपका इंटरव्यू यहाँ पर देखेंगे, जो हमारी कॉन्वर्जेशन देखेंगे, दे वुड वांट टू नो, बिकॉज इतनी भागदौड़ वाली जिंदगी में एंड देन द काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप एंड द स्ट्रेस वी आर डीलिंग विद एवरी डे, वी सॉर्ट ऑफ फॉरगेट how to take care of ourselves. So yeah.
One thing that I would do is कि मैं घर जाके after a long day बस headphones लगाती हूँ और फिर I dance, I freestyle to whatever music, and that's my form of expression.
Therapy for me is football, because अगर मैं पूरा week I'm just giving my all to Wish, and then there's that one Sunday that we get for ourselves. I'm like, okay, अभी मैं bed पे रहूँ, rest करूँ कि जाके friends के साथ खेलूँ, what should I do? And I always choose जाके बाहर जाके खेलना, क्योंकि the kid in you needs to always be alive, and I always want that to happen forever. So I go there.
And because of her now हम सभी football खेलते हैं, and so it's all
I take them and go, and we just go and play.
Lovely, lovely. And what do you do?
For me, I love makeup. At the start of every day, जब मैं ready हो रही हूँ, just, you know, taking out that half an hour, 45 minutes to just do makeup, skincare, and, you know, just taking care of myself, looking in the mirror, being like, you're Lazeez. That is therapy for me.
इसका eye makeup हमेशा on point रहता है. देखो matching.
It's so, you've done it yourself.
Yeah, she's very good at
Guys, I'm dying. It's lovely. And what do you do?
So mine is very simple, but I really love it. The minute I get home from work, I do nothing other than get a packet of chips or some snack and some cheese, and I go into my bed and I put on some very dramatic reality TV show.
आपका अभी तक का एक weird fan encounter बताओ.
Weird नहीं.
We just had
अभी
such
तक
nice
weird नहीं
fan
हुआ है.
encounters so far.
बहुत अच्छे fan encounters
चलो
हुए.
cringe बता दो. Not okay. You were like, okay, I understand that, you know, you are a fan, but then
I'm actually thinking.
I had one. Actually, this was a long time ago. Somebody DM'd me on Instagram and was like, "Oh my gosh, I love you so much," something. And at that point of time, I didn't see it and I didn't reply. So then I kept getting notifications, lots of messages, one after the other. So I checked, and it's like, I haven't replied. So I love you so much. Why aren't you replying? Oh really? You have attitude. Then I'm going to block you in 10, 9, 8. Countdown is happening. 7, 6.
you could have said
5.
Happy New Year.
I should have done that.
I kind of had a situation where, like, I'd met someone at an event, and they were like, "Ki hum aapke fan hai," and all of that, and that was nice until, you know, he was like, "Okay, can I take a picture of us, but from your phone?" So I was like, "नहीं, आप अपना phone use कर लो, because, you know, I'll have to send it to you later and stuff." मुझे वो नहीं करना था. तो he was like, "नहीं, मेरा battery down है, वो सब आप Instagram पे भेज दो." So I was just like, "अच्छा हाँ ठीक है." To get him off my back, I took the picture. And then I never sent it to him, but then he kept like DMing and like number bhej do, ye sab. And then I saw him like on the road once near where I live, and I was like, oh my god, is this become a stalker situation?
Inspiration क्या होता है day to day life में आप लोगों के लिए?
We always give like each other support and motivation. जब कोई भी like किसी का कुछ personal problem hota hai, so they love sharing, because we're all there to like support, and we're like, we got your back.
Actually, these girls are so supportive, and जब भी मुझे advice चाहिए या कुछ भी, I always go to them and over chai discuss करते हैं, and we're really there for each other.
Yeah, and even if अगर negative comments रहते हैं YouTube पे, Instagram पे, it'll all be like super fun actually. We make it fun, like, oh guys, negative comment, let's read it. So we just read it out and just laugh it out. And
weirdest comment कौन सा पढ़ा है social media पे अपने बारे में?
Recently therapy पे there was that one comment na, this girl was like, I wish you had released this song earlier, because it is my situation right now that I like this guy and he didn't give me any bhav, except now he's suddenly texting me and trauma dumping on
something.
Yeah.
Relationship advice भी चलती है.
और अभी ये ऐसा ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि क्या चल रहा है, I don't know, and we are still trying to figure out that they'll be like, oh, why is this video 31 hour long? Like, this is so bad, guys. This is sick.
But then
and
still
I'm
people
like,
will go and watch it.
Actually,
it's
ulta. It's
Yeah.
like
Compliment.
It's a compliment.
It's like, I just wasted so much time for 3 hours watching this video.
yeah,
which
why are
means
you
that
doing this to
They
us?
watch it.
Yeah.
Watching.
एक surprise factor है.
We have to understand both sides of that comment. कि अच्छा है कि बुरा है कि क्या बोल रहे हैं. Literally.
कहीं ना कहीं आपने कुछ इंस्पिरेशन उनसे ड्रॉ किए या उन्होंने आपने उनका म्यूजिक सुना है वीवा का, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली लाइक यू नो देयर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी अ कंपैरिजन एंड पीपल माइट जस्ट थिंक दैट यू नो दिस इज द न्यू वीवा, सो हाउ यू गोना deal with it, how you are planning to deal with that?
If anything, it's just been great, because they've been like, after so long, there's been such a gap that there was no girl group. So they just have good things to say ki, oh, Viva is there and now after so long.
I was heartbroken when the
Yeah.
they went off.
Yeah, I had heard their music. There was Band of Boys, there was Asma, Chandu Ke Chacha and all. I love those songs in my childhood.
Actually, personally excited हो जाती हूँ when it comes to bands, and I was really very excited to have this conversation. Like I have so many things to ask. So you have to give one annoying habit for her, then her, then her.
Let's go.
ठीक है, सूची का वो हमेशा एक चीज छोड़ती है स्टूडियो में जहाँ भी हम जाते हैं, एक चीज तो छोड़ती है और फिर मैं पूछती सूची ये तूने ये छोड़ा है स्टूडियो में या एंड शी लाइक ओह शिट तो ये हर रोज चढ़ता है।
इधर भी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर लो कि कल हम कॉल करने वाले हैं कि सूची का ये वाटर बॉटल पड़ा है ये होने ही वाला है।
और री का है वो बहुत इनडिसाइसिव है, तो का कि वो बहुत डांटती है, मैंने बोल दिया।
Okay, so you tell us.
हमें सिम वो जोन आउट हो जाती है और फिर बोलती है गाइस व्हाट वर यू सेइंग, ओह व्हाट वाज द डिस्कशन अबाउट।
मैं डेड्रीमिंग बहुत करती हूँ
पर मेरे को तो पता नहीं था,
इसलिए मुझे बोला ही नहीं।
so that's for Sim. Riya and Zoe are very like on it, so it's very difficult to find, but she doesn't give enough masti time, so she's always
She's the strict one.
थोड़ी ज्यादा ही फोकस्ड हूँ।
she's super focused, so I have to grab her और उसको थोड़ा सा लूज करना पड़ता है।
Let's have some fun के लिए.
मेरे लिए इट्स अ स्विच, तो वो स्विच थोड़ा हार्ड है प्रेस करने में।
But Zoe, I should say she's a shopaholic, तो उसको थोड़ा सा अभी कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है, like okay, you need to stop it.
Either I'm on the street shops, I'm looking at clothes online, I'm thinking of snacks to buy.
पैसे बचाओ Zoe.
उसने मुझे like बोला कि just stop me from buying this and I will just like shut the app. गया।
Are you also one of those who decide like one fine day you get up in the morning like मैं एक महीने तक कुछ नहीं खरीदूंगी?
Yes, and it never.
And then you tell
Because
my sister.
Because I'm also like, but I need to treat myself.
I know. I'm so stressed. I need to buy a new dress. Yeah. You tell us.
Okay. सिम का है कि वो बहुत ज्यादा ही गुस्से वाली है। एक्चुअली वो हर चीज बहुत पर्सनल लेती है। उसका स्विच बहुत इंस्टेंट है, लाइक 5 मिनट बाद like she forgets what we were fighting about, so that's one great thing. Suchi ka, I think same problem. I think in dance rehearsals I've caught her ki she'll just be looking at her phone and like we are having a conversation. I'm like Suchi. वो भी थोड़ा switch off हो जाती है. And Zoe, there's just one thing that she will never make the first move to talk to someone. Like, अगर हम कोई पार्टी या कुछ में हैं, थोड़ा नेटवर्क कर रहे हैं, तो वो हमेशा बस ऐसे रहेगी मेरे पीछे। Then I'll start talking to someone.
And then I'm like, hi.
Yeah, this is Zoe. फिर ठीक है, फिर she'll be your best friend.
Yeah, Zoe का तो she needs to tell वो नहीं तो
अभी कुछ अच्छा बताओ ना।
अच्छा, I have lots to say.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी कर लो।
हाँ, किसी ने
चलो compliment.
Sim is the fun one. Okay? Like if I'm going to have fun, I'll straight away go to Sim because she's ready to, just have fun and take things very light. Also, she's the only person who I feel like even if she's mad at you, 5 minutes later she's like, give me a hug. And then it's gone. Like everything is gone in the air. So it's, that sister vibe is really there, which I think is very important. Suchi is just, I feel, so down to earth. Like she's very real. Like what you see in person is what you'll see online, it's what you'll see on stage. She'll say whatever she's thinking.
Yes.
Riya is like very determined. Like even I feel like that's how I am in a work scenario. But even here and there, I'm like, okay, chalo, rest. Okay, chalo, let's, take a break. That's my line.
उसका हर एक घंटा she'll be hungry.
That's a superpower.
Yeah. Her metabolism is like too good.
Both of this. Oh my gosh.
But the way she can focus is something that I watch a lot, because here and there I'm also like, oh, I can't do anymore, and she's like on it. which I think is very admirable.
सबसे मेमोरेबल परफॉर्मेंस आपका अब तक सो फार कौन सा रहा है?
जब हमने लिटिल फ्ली में परफॉर्म किया था वो हमारा बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस था, क्योंकि हमने परफॉर्म बेस्ट किया उस दिन मुझे लगता है, और द ऑडियंस रिस्पॉन्स वाज क्रेजी. उस वक्त हमने थेरेपी परफॉर्म किया था बट इट वाज नॉट रिलीज्ड एट द टाइम, एंड वी परफॉर्म्ड इट लास्ट में and we got such a great response. Everyone was dancing. It was so energetic.
Everyone started crowding. मतलब सब लोग थे अपने धुन में, but then suddenly like क्या चल रहा है? Like who's performing?
Difficult to cater the crowd.
Yeah, we were.
और इतनी दुकानें हैं, so flea market तो लोग चल रहे थे, but everyone actually just stopped and turned and came towards the stage, and we could only see like a sea of people.
ऐसा कौन सा गाना है जो आपको लिखने में, एक गाना जो लिखने में बहुत टाइम लगा और एक गाना जो आपने ऐसे बना दिया?
So there was actually one session जो हमारा पहला सेशन था जहाँ पे हम सब एक साथ थे सॉन्ग राइटिंग रूम में. That song hasn't come out yet, but it was our first session together and we had so much fun कि हमने एक ही वो 4 घंटे में पूरा गाना complete किया. But that song is not out yet, so I can't name it.
Now we are going to play this game called Red Flag, Green Flag, because obviously your song is about therapy and lot of Gen Zs need to identify red flag, and मैं तो साड़ी पहनती हूँ उसकी red flag की, so yeah, I need to. They dismiss your feelings and tell you to get over.
Red flag.
Red flag.
Try to isolate you from your friends and family.
Red flag. Straight away, that's like cult stuff.
He has to be friends with my friends and family.
They are angry, but they are passive aggressive during arguments.
Grey flag, because I feel like they can work on that. Like that is a problem you can fix, maybe.
They criticize you and they praise you at the same time. Like they'll take out like 2 things which are bad in you and then one will like, अरे नहीं, but then तुम में ये अच्छा है.
That's green flag because मुझे जानना है कि अगर मैं कुछ चीज wrong कर रही हूँ तो I can't always be right.
If he's making you feel nice about it just for the sake of it, or just for you to feel okay about it. I mean,
Intention matters.
When he's telling you कि इस डेट का पैसा आज तू दे दे, कल मैं दे दूंगा.
That's green.
You're ready to split the bill. Yeah. Very nice. They try to control कि आप किसके साथ में hang out कर रहे हो या
Get out.
I can't stand that.
When they tell you that, you know, my me time is really very important for me, so I might not be available for few hours and you need to understand that.
Green flag. Yeah.
Sense of humor में आपके अंदर की सारी कमियां बता देते हैं.
Red flag.